Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Google Classroom account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Google Classroom account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google browser, you can see over here is the Google Chrome, and you can proceed with any browser you like. And now after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in the address Google Classroom. Not the address, but just type in the Google Classroom. And over here guys, at the first result of Google, you can see there is the edu.google.com, which is the classroom management tools and which is the Google Classroom management tools and resources. Click over there and you can see guys, this is the login page, or this is the home page of Google Classroom. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button over here, and when we hover over there, there is the Google Classroom option available for us. Click on that Google Classroom, and then guys, you can see you will be logged into your Google Classroom with your online account available on your browser with your Google. Or if you want to switch your account, you can see just click on the top right corner of the screen where there is the profile icon, and click on there is the add account button over here, and enter your email address and your password with which you want to log into your Google Classroom. That will switch your account. And that being said guys, this is how you log into your Google Classroom account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.